Hello, good day from Sudhanshu Jain. In this video, I will showcase how you can effectively use Gemini in Google Sheets. Okay, so consider this as your dataset or the Excel sheet, whatever you have, and then to start the Gemini on the upper right corner, click on Ask Gemini. Once you are there, you can simply type the prompt. Let's say I want to figure out what are the three regional passport offices in India which issue the maximum number of passports. So, how I can do that is I can simply type which are the three regional passport offices that issued passports, which are the top three. Okay, so see, I have not mentioned which column I am referring to. I have not mentioned the formula. It will automatically do the analysis and give me the output. Let's figure it out. Okay, as per the data shown, Mumbai, Bengaluru, and Chandigarh are the top three RPO offices, that is regional passport offices, that issued the most number of passports in India. Calculations are based from 2019 to 2024. Well, that's how effectively it can be. And also, you can minimize this window and you can also generate charts. Let me showcase how it works. Just a minute. Okay, there you go. Generate a chart showing top three RPO offices that issued passports. Okay, press enter key and it will show an attractive chart which can be used by your side for your personal or business purposes. Now, this is what the classic thing about this. To find out the column contains. Okay, here are the charts. Let's click on preview. Well, that's how effective it can be. So it is showing by the numbers. Let me insert it. Okay, so we have the count and we have the table. So even the charts are effectively being generated. Well, that's all I wanted to convey. Have a good day. Bye bye.